The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "There has come to you Ramadan, a blessed month which Allah the Mighty and Sublime has enjoined you to fast. In it the gates of heavens are opened and the gates of hell are closed, and every devil is chained up. In it Allah has a night which is better than 1,000 months. Whoever is deprived of its goodness is indeed deprived." Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah said, "All the deeds of Adam's sons people are for them except fasting, which is for me, and I will give the reward for it." There are two pleasures for the fasting person, one at the time of breaking his fast, and the other at the time when he will meet his Lord. Then he will be pleased because of his fasting.